I've got to show you. I've just got to. It's the Harrier S1100, which came from Banggood. Stickers, I love stickers. Well, I love these stickers anyway. Destruction manual, which I'm probably going to have to read because there's a hell of a lot to it. There's a PDB, there's loads and loads of different things on there. Get rid of that. This is the fuselage. It's an 1100 wing millspan. Oh God. 1100 millimeter wingspan. This is the fuselage, which has got ridiculous amounts of things that you can put in there. There's one here for the VTX, one in there for your receiver and everything else, compartments. You know those little things that you think, my God, that's just made it. I looked at this and you see these slots here. Well, that one's got like a metal strip in it and that one hasn't. I thought, what? Why? And I looked in the box. That's to hold an Allen key. And it's an M3. Is it M3 for doing the motors and stuff like that up, so you can change the motors in the field. Little things. Anyway, there's that. Obviously spar goes in there. Your ESCs, you can have 1, 2 or 3 motors on it. It's made of EP, I can't remember the tough one. The ridiculously tough one, and that one, you ain't going to break that. So we'll put that there. You get all these bits. Oh, hang on. This here is the FPV pod that goes on the front there. And then there's I'll put that there, and then there's another bit which I found out, so it's this one. Obviously you've got to cut these up. This one goes on the front if you don't want the FPV, you just want a streamline one. That bit there is for the back, which goes in there like that. What I'll do, I'll get all this out of the box and then I'll show you the rest. All that, and the fuselage. Where did I put that? Oh, there it is. And the fuselage. So I'll just show you this again. Obviously you cut these bits off. That's just part of the mould, it's just to hold it in place. So this piece here goes on the front there for a streamline. That one there goes on the back. And also somewhere on the back, is it that one? That one goes on the back as well, which I can't show you. That one's probably going to be glued in place, I don't know. I mean, you could glue it on the back of that, so it's all one piece, up to you. Or you could just have it, don't know. So that's that. That is for the underneath, which goes in there, and I'll show you the bag of bits. I'm so excited. I've never been excited about a plane so much. The Mini Talon I thought was good, but my God, this has got everything. 3 compartments for your ASCs, so you can put 1, 2 or 3 motors on there, 1 in the middle or 2 on both sides, or you know, all 3. So that glues into there. That's for your ESC, obviously. Hang on, put that there. That's that bit. These bits, they're just covers for under there to go over the spars. We've got this bit here, which is a nose, I think it's a nose cone. You get 2 nose cones. Why do you get 2 nose cones? Are they the same size? They look the same size to me. So you get 2 nose cones. You get winglets, which obviously go on the ends of the wings. I like that. There should be 2 of them. Yeah, there's 2 of them. You get that, which I think that's an underbelly skid. I've got emails again. So you got that one for launching. Or is it that way? Sorry, it's that way. That's for launching. Fantastic, they've thought of everything. That square bit there, oh, I don't know. Does it go in the front? Oh, square bit there is for a camera mount in the front. These bits here which go on the undersides of the wings, where's the wings? They go on the underside of the wings there to cover the spars and everything. That's that one. You've got these which go into the top here, which cover your transmitter and your receiver in there like that. That's if you want to mount them in there, it's up to you. And this bit, oh look, I just love this bit. And that goes on there. So there's plenty of room. Let's just try. There's a GoPro. And there's a run cam. So it's perfect size for a run cam. Perfect size. You get spars. Let's have a look. So you got spars for the back of the ailerons, and these things are free. Not like the last one I did, which was EPP or EPO, whichever one this is. This is the tough foam. So you get 2 spars for that. You get 2 main spars, 1 main spar and 2 shorter spars. So your 1 main spar goes in there, your 2 shorter ones, as one goes there, and I don't know where the other one goes. I have to figure that one out. Mounting bits and pieces, all carbon fibre covers, battery tray, battery strap, PDB, which I'll quickly show you. Don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's got a bloody hell, it's even got a BEC on it. And I don't know whether the 5 amp 12 volt, what is it now? So it's got a 5 volt 3 amp and a 9 volt 3 amp output on it. Why 9 volt? Why not 12? Don't know. That's enough. Absolutely I can't believe what's in this kit. I really can't believe it. I am really looking forward to building this. Flight controller in there, battery in there, Stanley blade goes there, battery, flight controller, bloody everything. You could put a run cam there if you wanted to. Actually, yeah, run cam. Run cam in there. That on there, nose cone piece. Look at that. That's bloody perfect. This is the one I'm going to build next. I'm really looking forward to it. Link in the description.